If you have been eating plain roasted cauliflower, you are doing it wrong. Today we are making a tahini based bowl that's crispy on the outside, tender on the inside, and absolutely addictive. Let's start with the prep. Separate the cauliflower into medium-sized florets. Dice the potatoes into bite-sized cubes. Thinly slice 3 garlic cloves. Slice the onion thin. And finally chop a handful of cilantro. Prep is everything with this recipe. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Spread the cauliflower florets and diced potatoes on a lined baking tray in a single layer. Scatter the sliced garlic and chopped cilantro over the vegetables. Drizzle generously with olive oil and season with smoked paprika, black pepper, cumin, coriander, and salt. Toss until everything is evenly coated. Here's the key: don't skip the flip halfway through. This is what gets those golden, crispy edges while keeping the inside tender and sweet. Watch as the cauliflower caramelizes and the potatoes turn golden. Add the lemon quarters on top. Into the oven for 40 to 45 minutes. When you see that color, that deep burnished gold, you know it's ready. While the vegetables roast, make the onion salad. Add thinly sliced onion to a bowl with chopped cilantro, lemon juice, and salt. Mix it well, let it rest for 5 minutes. This softens the onion and creates a bright, acidic contrast that balances the creamy tahini. Now let's make the tahini yogurt. In a bowl, whisk together 1.5 cups thick vegan Greek yogurt, 3 tablespoons of tahini, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, salt, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, 3 minced garlic cloves, the juice of half a lemon, and a tablespoon of maple syrup. Whisk until smooth and creamy. Taste and adjust your seasoning. This sauce is your flavor anchor. Now for assembly, spread a generous layer of tahini yogurt on your serving platter or bowl. Layer the warm roasted cauliflower and potatoes on top. Spoon the pickled onion salad evenly over the vegetables. Finish with pomegranate arils for sweetness and color, and toasted almond flakes for that satisfying crunch. That's it. Simple ingredients, maximum flavor. This bowl is vegan, and honestly, it tastes like you spent hours in the kitchen. Serve it warm at room temperature as a main dish or grain bowl base. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to My Ginger Garlic Kitchen for more easy, fun, and delicious vegan recipes. For more easy and fun vegan and vegetarian recipes. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking. See you next time.